Hello guys, this video is a tutorial how to fix your yellow dollar to green dollar. Ayan, so you just go to your channel, and this is your channel or my channel. Ayan, so touch the manage videos. So mine, I have one here, yellow dollar. So this is here, guys. You touch that one there, and there is a dollar sign. So tap that one, and here, guys, the request review. So you can request review, guys, to fix your yellow dollar sign. So make sure that one is on, okay? And you then press this request review. Ayan. So that's how you do to fix your yellow dollar sign, guys, to make it green dollar. If you are certain that your video and your thumbnail and everything in your videos or live stream is meet the YouTube advisors friendly guidelines, then you can request a human review. So this is a human review, guys. So make sure that you check this box, and then you send the request review. Ayan siya. Ayan. So it's done. Hope you understand this video and can help your problem if you have a yellow dollar sign. So that's it. Start fixing your yellow dollar sign to green dollar. Ayan. Good luck to your channel. Bye-bye. Thank you for your time watching my video tutorial. And yeah, God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Love you all. How to take photos in there?
Don't want to take that photo.
I didn't take photos.